Podia Digital Products Tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to sell digital products on Podia. The first thing you want to do is go onto podia.com. From there, you can create an account for completely free by tapping on Start Your Free Trial. Then you'll be able to add in your email address and create a password. After doing that, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on the dashboard, you're going to tap on Products from the top navigation bar and you're going to tap on New Product. After selecting New Product, you're going to tap on Digital Download and you can put in the product name. So let's say, for example, I want to call this Test Product. I can type it in right here. After you have added in the product name, you're going to tap on Create Product. After selecting Create Product, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll now be able to upload your file. So you can see your files will appear here. So you could tap on Choose File. After selecting Choose File, let's say, for example, I would like to sell this PDF. So I could select the PDF and I'll tap on Open. After doing that, if it is a case that you would like to add more stuff, or if it is a different type of digital product that you are selling, you could tap on New Section, and from there you could, for example, type in the title and description. So it varies depending on the type of digital product that you are selling. But let's say you're selling an ebook or you're selling a PDF, just like what I'm doing. All you'll need to do is add it. Then once you have added it, you're going to tap on Edit Sales Page. After selecting Edit Sales Page, you can see how it looks at the moment, and to start editing it, you can simply tap on the page. Then this is where we'll be able to add our ebook cover, for example's sake. By going over to the left hand menu option, you could tap where you see Image, then tap on Upload from Computer, and you could choose the ebook cover. Let's say we were to choose this template, or better yet, this thumbnail, for example. After selecting that, you can scroll down. You could type in alt text if you want. You can also add a quick description. And if you would like to change the call to action button from Get Now, you can do that. And you can see some other editing options that you have. And by scrolling back up, if you would like to change the color, you can tap on Design. And you have quite a few options. So some of the options that you have, you can change the call to action button. So if, for example, instead of it being round at the moment, you would like to change it to medium or so on, you can change the corners by selecting it, as you can see right there. You can also scroll down and you could change the appearance by tapping right where you see Theme. If you would like it to be bright, you can select Bright, or you can select Vivid. You can see different options that you could quickly select. And you can also scroll down, and if you would like to add a background image, you can select Background Image. It's as easy as that. If you would like to add more sections, you can tap on the plus. Then from there, you can see different sections that you could quickly add. So there are numerous sections that you can add. So for example, if you would like to add an About section, you could tap on About. Then you can select which one of the templates you would like to use. After doing that, if it is a case that you would like to move down this section, which is the Contents section, you could tap on the arrow to drop it down. You can also go over to the left hand menu option and you could edit the text for the section that you have just added. Now once you're finished editing it and it is to your liking, you're going to tap on Done in the top right hand corner. After selecting Done, what I want you to do next is tap on your profile pic or your initials in the top right hand corner, and you're going to tap on Settings. Then you're going to tap on Payments, and this is where you'll be able to connect your Stripe and PayPal. If you don't connect your payment methods, then they'll offer your digital product for free. If that is the case, you can set it up and you can go along. But if it is a case that you would like to sell your digital product, you'll need to tap on Connect Stripe and PayPal, and you'll need to enter in your login information for both respectful accounts. Once you have done that, you'll be able to set a price for your product. So if we were to go back to products, and then for example, you can see right there, it is currently set at free. Once back on this page, let's say we would like to sell our product. You'll go over to the top left hand corner. You could tap on details. From there you can change the product name if you want, and you can also choose a cover image. So this is where you would add the ebook cover once more, and you can add in the description and basic information. Then we're going to tap on pricing, and at the moment it is set at free because remember I have not connected PayPal or Stripe. But once you have connected it, you'll tap on edit, and from there you can set it up to be paid. So you'll simply select paid. So you can do that right there. You can also add upsells if you want. After doing that, you're just going to tap on availability, and from there you could tap on publish, and your product will now be live. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.